Tonight, nearly 700,000 dreamers sit in legal limbo, and they have been for months, anxiously waiting for the Supreme Court to weigh in on whether President Obama's executive order back in 2012 creating the program was constitutional. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA, executive order granted people who came into the country illegally as children a reprieve from deportation along with work permits. Roughly a dozen days already this year, they've woken up wondering if this might be the day that the Supreme Court would decide their fate. Tomorrow will once again be one of those days. We caught up with several DACA recipients to get their thoughts on this nerve-wracking time period.
So we're very worried about the decision that is going to be made tomorrow, as this is really going to decide how our future lives will continue to go on. DACA has been able to provide us with many of the opportunities that we currently have.
DACA has provided me great opportunities, from getting my driver's license, from letting me work on the books and get a job, and helping me pay my bills.
If the DACA program was to be terminated, I wouldn't have any idea on what to do, honestly. Really, the DACA program has been able to provide me a future in this country that it has practically really been my whole life. I don't know any better as far as if I were to go back to my country, I wouldn't know what to do.
I have mixed feelings about tomorrow. I'm worried and I'm optimistic, but I'm confident that they will do right by me and the 700,000 other DACA recipients in this country. My mother is quite worried with what could happen to me if the Supreme Court decides to overturn DACA. She tells me that I'm more American than I am Mexican. So she worries that a life for me in Mexico could be very hard. To my fellow DACA recipients, I would like to remind you all that it is imperative that we keep our heads held high and we keep striving to show this country how much we deserve to be here.
I am feeling very concerned, anxious. I am feeling very hopeful as well about tomorrow's DACA decision. DACA has helped me to pursue a better life for myself, for my daughter, and my family. I think it's time to act. It's been 8 years. It's time that we bring something permanent to the table for dreamers and their families and just all immigrants across the board.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.